Isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay April 19, 2023, Wednesday. Welcome po sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating featured news ay tungkol po sa Double Dragon at BDO. Po si Benji Chadoro, isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007 at araw-araw po binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stocks sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong kayo tungkol sa Philippine stock market, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Get well soon to my cousin Marie. We're praying for your recovery. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, April 19, 2023, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, so let's now go to our headlines at dito po natin makikita yan sa BDO SEC. Government releases 4.3 trillion of the 2023 budget. Government raises 19.5 billion from partial award of T-bonds. So yung 13-month T-bonds ay merong average rate of 6.24%. And then, BDO posts 16.5 net income in the first quarter of 23. Ito po yung one of our main news. Then, M-wide Araneta Center 6 arbitration. So, meron silang conflict. Araneta Center has filed a permissive counterclaim to the complaint filed by M-wide with the Construction Industry Arbitration Commission over several real estate projects that were affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay. MREIT distributable income more than doubles to 2.5 billion in 2022. Good news po ito. Then DOE releases terms for second round of GEAP. Okay, pero ang main news po natin, one is from Business World. CS listed businesses post robust profit growth. Firms led by Ed Garcia II on Tuesday reported solid income growth for 2022 to cap another profitable year for the businessman who plans to further expand his homegrown hotel business overseas. In a separate stock market disclosure, Double Dragon Corp and DDMP REIT reported a surge in net income past 12 billion, while Merrimark Consumer Corp posted a bottom line 9 times higher than the level in the previous year. Double Dragon posted a 14.5 increase in consolidated net income for 2022 to 12.92 billion from 11.28 billion reported a year prior. The company reported consolidated revenues of 14.3 billion, an 11.3% decline from the 15.93 billion recorded previously. Yan po ang ating main news, and the other one is BDO. Nandito po siya sa Business World. Ang headline po ng Business World was BDO books higher net profit in the first quarter, but I'll be reading the summary from BDO SEC. BDO net income climbed 41% to 16.5 billion in the first quarter 23, driven by broad-based growth across its businesses for the 3-month period. Net interest income grew 28% to 43.3 billion on the back of healthy loan growth and higher net interest margins on NIMs. Non-interest income rose 13%, bolstered by solid growth in the various fee-based as well as treasury FX businesses. 3. Operating expenses increased due to volume-related cost consistent with increased activity, as well as sustained branch expansion. So there were 92 new branches opened since the first quarter 2022, and 4 asset quality was steady with non-performing loans or NPL at 1.98 versus 1.95 in the fourth quarter, while NPL coverage increased 170%. Overall, the bank's ROE advanced 14.5% in the first quarter of 2023. So yan po ang ating main news, ano? So, comments from our subscribers. Robbie Castillo, have a nice day. Always watching your videos. It's good to buy TEL as of now. Thank you. Thank you po. And TEL is one of my stocks. Favorite stocks also. Huwag po kayo matakot sa TEL. Mga ganyan nangyayari po yan. Lahat po ng tao ay napapalitan. Yan po. And nobody is indispensable no matter how good you are. Si Manny Pangilinan nga, iniisip na niya kung sinong papalit sa kanya di ba? So meron na siyang plano. Kasi Manny Pangilinan is not young anymore. He's about to turn 70 plus, no? So let's take a look at the index. It's 227 and the index is down 30.83 points. Nasa 6433.89. So it's about 32 minutes before closing time. Yung ating most active stock at this point is BDO, up 1.02% at 129.20. Ali is next at 26.10. PRIT 149. Ano ba itong PRIT na ito? Parang first time ko yata marinig si PRIT. Dito and SMPH, yan po yung top 5 stocks po natin. In the meantime, we see some gainers here. Merrimart is up 9.4% to 128 and SSI up 7.5% to 215. Yan po ang nakikita po natin dito sa top gainers. So we'll be back later as the market closes. Don't go away. Okay, we're back. I just found this in the news, ano? Peso weakens further, pierces 56 to $1 level. So ang reason pala nito ay yung threat ng Federal Reserve na itaas yung interest rates. Ito kasi, no? US Federal Reserve continued to sound more hawkish with additional rate hikes in the coming months to fight sticky inflation. Ito po sa US. And it's affecting us, ano? So, hawkish ibig sabihin po, mataas. Dovish, mababa. Okay? So, that's affecting our foreign exchange as well as the stock market, ano? Kasi, sideways to bearish po siya. And, alam po natin, pagka tumataas po yung interest rates, ay bumababa po yung presyo ng mga stocks sa stock market. Yun po ang relationship niyan. In the meantime, the Philippine Stock Exchange Index fell 18.37 points or 0.28% down. Nasa 6446.35. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, the index is sideways to bearish. RSI is at 40.47, bearish po siya. Yung market activity naman, 88 ang umatras, 82 ang bumabante, 51 ang hindi nagbago. All share index ay bumaba ng 0.21%. Ang sectoral indices, lahat po ay down except for financials which is up 0.45%. Ang pagbaba ay pinangunahan po ng mining at 1.41% down. The most active stock is BDO, up 1.25% to 129.50, followed by Ali. SM is flat. SMPH is down 1 peso 20 centavos. And AEV is down 261. So yung property stocks po ay down pagka meron pong threat of interest rate hikes. Yan po ang nangyayari sa ating stock market. Ang BDO po ay tumataas dahil po sa favorable first quarter income na sinabi ko po kanina. Nasa Sleeping nga natin muna si BDO. Total yun naman ang una nating stock. So meron po siyang earnings. First quarter earnings is 72.85%, up 40.44%. No? Kaya po siya tumataas si BDO. No, it's slightly up 1.60%, although nagkaroon ng red engulfing candlestick po dito. And right now, I think, ang nangyari kasi dito kay BDO ay bullish po si BDO. Kasi ito po yung resistance level. Ang sinasabi ko po yung yan, no? Pero mataas na po siya sa resistance level eh. So, it's moving upwards, ano? Plus yung ating indicators paakyat. So, masasabi ko po na itong level na ito, 126.27, is the support level. Ngayon, titingnan natin yung chart natin. Ngayon, ang pinaka-resistance po nandito sa 134. Yan po. Based on a 1-week chart, balik natin sa 1 day. Yan po, nasa 134 po yung pinaka-resistance level niya. And this dates back December 2019, yung historical level po niya ng December 2019. Okay, next we have Ali. Ali is dipping. Yan po. So, nasa 2618 support level po si Ali. Yan, 2615 po ang pinaka-support. More or less po, support and resistance depend on exact points. Areas po siya, or area po siya. And support is here at 2890. Maganda po bumili ng property stocks ngayon. So, maaari mag-dip further ito. Abangan po natin. So, abangan nyo lang po yung Ali dahil maaari pang mag-dip ito because of the threat of the Fed to increase rates to fight inflation in the US. So, yan po ang pinaka-support niya. And then, the next lower support na nakikita ko po ay nandito. Nasa 25.30, the next support level po niya. And the lower support would be here somewhere at 22.82. And then, dito. Si dito. Umaakit si dito. Ayan. So, meron po siyang bounce. Although, it's still bearish. Kasi yung indicators po natin nasa taas pa eh. Yan, yung tatlo. Pagka nasa taas po yan, ibig sabihin bearish po or pababa. So, nagkaroon po siya ng bounce dito. Pero, support na nga ba ito? It's within support level eh. Pero may lower support pa po siya. It's here at 246 rather. 246 po ang pinaka-support. Si dito ba ay okay, income po siya and net loss po si dito 25.63 billion po ang loss niya. So nasa although may revenue siya, the net income is at a loss. Yan. And then after dito, let's take a look at Merrimart. For a time hindi natin nakikita. Hey, look at that. Green engulfing. No, this is a breakout Breakout po. Kasi na-reach na po niya, actually na-reach na po niya yung first resistance level or near the first resistance level. Nandiyan 133. 133 po to 135 po yung resistance level po niya. But there is a breakout here with volume. Breakouts po ay meron volume. So, maaaring we may see some upward movements in the coming days. For Merrimart, earnings po niya is up 6.72 billion or 846.47% from the previous year, which is good news. So hopefully serve ito as an expectation that the stock price will increase. Finally, we have DDMPR. So DDMPR, flattish po. Flattish po siya. Flattish to sideways to bearish. No? Yan. Pero meron po siyang cash dividends kasi kumita po naman po si DDMPR up 68.72% to 4.72 billion, which is good news. But it is sideways to bearish po ang kanyang movement. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ikalabing-siyam ng Abril, ito po si Benji Chidoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.